Welcome to Reparation Technology. Today I am gonna show you how to hard reset your Android phone. You need to hard reset your phone if you forget your password. And if your phone blocked by virus or hang on. To hard reset first you have power off your phone, but you can't power off your phone because it is protected by password. In that case, restart your phone and as soon as possible. Keep pressing on off button at the same time. Keep pressing volume down button and home button until you see the blue screen. Now just follow my video. Please subscribe my channel.